Bookkeeping in the age of generative AI, an innovative shift. Generative AI is ushering in a new era of bookkeeping that promises to make it easier, faster, and more accurate than ever before. In this video, we will take a look at how generative AI is changing the bookkeeping industry and how it is transforming the way businesses manage their finances. At the same time, generative AI is poised to revolutionize the bookkeeping industry even further. Overall, the bookkeeping industry is ready for a transformation, and generative AI is leading the way. Generative AI is the future of bookkeeping. Despite the challenges that generative AI faces, there is no doubt that it represents the future of bookkeeping. This means that bookkeeping processes will become increasingly efficient over time, and bookkeepers will be able to rely on AI to handle routine tasks while they focus on higher-level work. In addition to streamlining bookkeeping processes, generative AI can also help identify patterns and trends that might be difficult for humans to spot. Ultimately, generative AI has the potential to transform the bookkeeping industry and improve the accuracy, speed, and efficiency of financial processes. The benefits of generative AI for bookkeepers. As the bookkeeping industry continues to evolve, it's important for bookkeepers to stay up to date with the latest technology trends. Generative AI can also be cost-effective for businesses. Finally, generative AI offers a high level of flexibility. AI can adapt to changes in financial data and adjust its analysis accordingly, providing bookkeepers with real-time insights and allowing them to respond quickly to changing financial conditions. Contact us at +91 963 278 9874 and Kakarla78@gmail.com to know how AI can empower your bookkeeping.